18 spot plugs, I don't know.
Trying to get all that gas done.
Yep.
From the pump, one thing that disengage the drive shaft.
It's on the other side. It's a clutch out on the running board. You push the pump operator to stand out on the running board. And there's a clutch there, and there's a road to gear shifter that you would shift that would engage it.
Does it just operate the main clutch?
This pump's in, it's only a 3-speed.
Oh yeah. Everything was leather and rubber. We had the rubber boots.
Funny, packed this thing in here, and I immediately had a guy, AACA guy, checking for fire extinguisher, and put the stuff in the window, and then this guy over here asked if he could borrow a fire extinguisher. Then my phone is going off. People that you hardly ever hear from, they texting you. And then I managed to snag my cell phone, just a tiny little flesh wound. I got blood leaking off my hand. About the time to settle down. Where? Seriously? Why?